All right, everybody. Thanks so much for joining us. My name is Ethen Ostroff. I'm a personal injury lawyer right outside of the Philadelphia area. And over the last stretch of time, I have been going deeper than my TikTok content on auto insurance under this specific playlist. And there are several videos. Make sure to go check them out. There might be some links flying by my head right now. Make sure you go check out the other stuff that we are putting out because it is so important to know your benefits before you need them, not after you need them. So that's what my goal is that if I can get one person to improve their insurance policy, then I've done a good thing here. So what are we talking about today? Let's get into it after you make sure you click that subscribe button below. If you click that subscribe button, thank you. I appreciate it. So next subject, what is wage loss coverage and when does it apply? Wage loss coverage is something that you get through your own auto insurance. It's state by state, slightly different, but pretty much uniform in how it works. Let's say that you are sitting at a stoplight and you get rear-ended and you break your arm. And let's say that you work on a factory floor that requires that arm to be completely strong and usable. Let's say that knocks you out of work for 2 months. What are you going to do? Is that a part of your personal injury case? Is that a completely separate thing? If you get wage loss coverage on your own auto insurance, it is a separate and independent claim that will get you paid if you are out of work for over a week. So let's say you missed work for 8 weeks, you're going to get paid dollar for dollar exactly what your wage loss was really quickly. You could have also a personal injury case for your injuries, for your pain and suffering, but you're going to need to wait maybe a year and a half, 2 years, 3 years, sometimes even 4 to get paid on that personal injury case. Wage loss, you get paid dollar for dollar as soon as you prove it. So your auto insurance company needs to pay you pretty quickly compared to waiting and maybe having some sort of expensive economics expert testify saying that because they missed work for this long, they should be adding this much money into your personal injury case. You kind of can double dip there. You get paid exactly for what you lost, and then they can also claim that in your personal injury case as well. So it definitely pays to have the benefit of wage loss coverage because you don't miss a beat. You get paid for that money you need because you are missing work really quickly, and you also don't prejudice your personal injury case. So if you ever have any questions about this, I do recommend wage loss coverage. I honestly recommend some other coverages a little bit more like UIM, or like having some sort of first party benefits, but it doesn't mean that this is unimportant. Definitely is important. But it does, I know, of course, add up a little bit more each additional thing you put in your policy. So sometimes it is about prioritizing these things, but I do recommend this if you can afford it. If you have any questions about it, or if you want to let me audit your personal injury auto policy, just shoot me an email right below. But before that, make sure to hit that subscribe button because we're going to be talking more and more about auto insurance, and then we're going to be diving into different areas of the law as soon as we get through this really important topic. Thanks so much.